What's up and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. So guys, today in my tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my smoky eye. It's a beginner friendly kind of smoky eye, and it's also very good for ladies who have hooded lids. So if your eyelids are hooded, this is the type of smoky eye you would want to try out. So anyways, let's just jump right in. So I went on ahead and I primed my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Primer Stick in black. You can use a gel liner if you have. You don't have to have this primer stick. A gel liner will work just fine. So I just applied that on my lid and buffed it out. Then and now I'm going into this brown shade as my transition color. So if you notice, I took the black way above my cut crease or my crease line. In fact, the black is almost touching my eyebrows. So yeah, if you have hooded lids, that is one of the things you should consider whenever you're doing any eyeshadow. Always take it past your crease line so it doesn't get swallowed up when you open your eyes. So anyways, yeah, I just went in now with an eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow, to just set the black primer. So because I wanted this look to be a little extra, you can just opt out of this. I'm adding some glitter. This is the BH Cosmetics glitter I am adding on it. So you can choose not to apply the glitter, it's optional. So anyways, that is as simple as ABC. This is like one of the simplest eye looks you can create if you want a little bit of drama and whatnot. So yeah, anyways, I'm on to my skin now. I think this skin part is basically like very straightforward. It's nothing new that you guys haven't seen before. So yeah, when we get back to the eyes, I will come back and tell you guys if or whatever I did. So yeah.
Hey, you, we could be more. Hey, you, on it. Yeah, it's true, you're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. I'm more than a dream. Even hold me. I'm wandering slowly. That you are no more than a dream. Hey, you, is this all you wanted? And hey, you, we could be more. Hey, you, if I'm being honest, yeah, it's true. You're all I want. And now I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm none more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey.
Okay guys, so we are back to the eyes. So I just added a little pop of color with this green eyeliner from Paula Beauty. I just applied that on my waterline. Then now I'm just going to apply some of that black primer and like basically smudge my lower lash line so it makes my eyes look very intense. So that's basically it for the eyes. Popped on my lashes, and I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup.
Distance. Hey, you, or am I wrong? And now I lose my own sight. My love
So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I know this tutorial was kind of, quick. Well, it's a very quick and simple look, anybody can create it. And I wanted this to be as detailed as possible, especially for beginners. So yeah, if you actually enjoyed this tutorial, please do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Like, this is one of the simplest looks you can create, just basically smudging black all over your eyes. But be careful with this look because it's so easy for you to look like a raccoon when you do this look, so if you're going for a black smoky eye, be sure to actually make sure the blending is well done. So guys, that's my tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Is out